Alrighty, so I'm actually buying a Fox body, Mustang Fox body. So let's start getting everything ready to go get it. The guy's not home. I've already paid him though. He stopped by here. He didn't have trailer. He don't have a trailer, so he didn't bring it with him. So now we're on our way to go get it. I want to say we can just pull down here. Maybe. Yeah. That'll take us straight down there. It's at his shop. Hopefully it's in good shape. I think it is. It's supposed to be anyways. I paid 10,000, I think. Yeah, 10,000 is right. Oh shoot. Oh no, we passed it. So I gotta turn around. Maybe I can turn around right here, hopefully. Oh no. There we go. Now we got it, yeah. Yeah, we passed it. Right there on the turn and we passed it. Oh, do you see it? There it is. So let's load it up. Whew, this thing's nice. It's got the, wow. Here, let's pull it out a little bit more. Let me show y'all. It looks like. Let's take it for a spin real quick. So it gets pretty good. I'm pretty sure he said that everything on it's maxed out. Ooh. Don't know what happened there, but whatever. He said he had it dynoed and it put out around 800 horsepower, I think is what he said. Alright, so let's load this up. Okay, so it's not gonna work. I'll pull up beside it. Okay, put in trigger. Attach. And let's go ahead and start getting out of here. So, this will be the end of the video. Bye. Please like and subscribe.